Hey guys, how's it going? Pre-orders start today for the GT. Everyone's really excited. Well, I've gone and got myself a new toy to mark the occasion. See what you guys think. Wonder what it could be. Let's open the box and find out. Okay, got my 3D mount on by Sound Systems. Cheers guys. Let's go. What can it be? What can it be? What can it be? Wow. Oh my God. Look at that. Ooh. Yeah, boys. Look at that. Can you see that? Nice. Oh, yeah. So now. Oh, street kit. Yes, lovely. Wow. Check out those wheels. How nice are they? Ooh. Right. So now. Ooh, remote control! Yeah! That's what we're talking about. There we go. Nice. Nice. Oh, look at that beauty. Oh, it's Jeff, Mark, you my boys. Love you guys. Look at this. Woohoo! Yeah, man. Woohoo! Wow. I can't wait to try it. Video coming soon. I know many of you are hating me right now, thinking what a lucky fella. But yeah, look at this. Rain. Come on. Hopefully it'll dry up later.